गंगे मैया की जय. Hi guys, welcome to the Rishikesh. This is the one of the beautiful place in the world. If you just see here, this is situated at the bank of Ma Ganga. Ganga river is flowing here. If you just find out, this is one of the best place for the naturopathy, medicine, Ayurveda, and of course your yoga, meditation, all the. If you just want to be near the nature, so this is the best place where you can live with the nature, think about the life. Because normally in the today's world we are only our today's life is very hectic. So if you just see here, all the people they are very calm. If you see, they are very peaceful. On this bank, if you just find out, this is the ashram. This is Avdutwada. If you find out in this Avdutwada ashram, it is established in 1948 around. At that time, this was a very small ashram. Right now, they have all kind of means approximately they have 50 rooms. All the foods and lodging boarding facilities are available, that is free of cost. If you just want to have here, so you will, if you just want to be here, then you will find out a completely relaxed mind of a state. Another thing, if you just go approximately 700 to 800 meters from here, you will find out a ashram of Sri Ravi Shankar, Pandit Ravi Shankar. The name of that institute is Art of Living. On the other side, you will find out Swami Dayanand Ashram. So in this ashram, if you just go Swami Dayanand Ashram and this Art of Living Ashram, they are daily conducting, every month they are conducting approximately 3 to 4 classes of yogas, meditation, Ayurveda, all these things. The charges of those classes are also very normal. Means if I just say starting from 300 rupees to 1000 rupees depending upon the accommodation. Means if you are just going for the AC rooms and all these things, then it will be cost you around for 3 days 4 days, it will cost you around 2000 rupees. If you are going for a normal room, then it will cost you around 500 rupees. In this everything will be included, including your foods, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and your stay here. Here you have to be here like like a devotee. Here you have to do all of your work yourself. Means just washing your plates, washing your groceries, doing everything here by yourself. The best part of this is River Ganga. If you just find out here, this is the one of the best place near River Ganga. If you just find out here, the crowd is very minimal. Most of the part here is natural, but due to because in the rainy season there will be a flood, so government has constructed out some part and they just try to provide out some bank so that all the religious people, all the guys will come and they can take bath near Ganga. On the other side of River Ganga, if you just find, that is completely natural bank because that is situated near the mountain. At that side you will not find out any ashram or these things. The place is very good. If you just go from the meditation purpose, for the yoga purpose, for the naturopathy purpose, place is very good. Here you will find out a lot of meditation, lot of relaxation. If you see, I think right now you can also hear the sound of the river. So this is the best place. Means even if you just close your eyes, close your ear, you will find out a complete relaxation. And here there are so many ashrams where those guys are running a lot of yoga classes, meditation and these things, and the charges of these things are also very minimal. If anybody can't afford it out, even these charges, that even after that they will offer you all the service free of cost. With the respect of this, they also have some hospitals and other things. If you just go there, the all the treatments, all the charges, that will be approximately free of cost. So if you see peoples here, all the peoples very peacefully living. Peoples are mainly, if you see, means not in the hurry. If you just go in any city, you will find out a lot of hecticness, tiredness of the work. I'm not saying that life is bad. That life is also good, because we also have to run our bread and butter. But the thing is that at least after some times we have to spend out after 6 months or after 1 year, at least you have to spend 10 to 15 days here. If you spend it out here 10 to 15 days here, you will find out that you will refill yourself with a lot of energy. Now, apart from the Ganga, now I am just moving to the ashram. This is my Avdutwada, where we are living here. If you just go inside the ashram, let me show you from the inside view of the ashram. This is the entrance gate from the river side. It has a different gate from the city side. If you just come, this is the temple. There is a small temple here. Temple of Ma Gange and Bhagwan Shiv. Let me focus out on this thing. Side of this temple, if you just find out, there is a small garden. Here you will find out different kind of plantation, means related to flowers, some meditation, some medication. Some vegetables, some fruits, everything will be available here. So many guys are living here just to having. All guys are working. This is a car. Ji. So if you just see out here, natural things are, means the claim, if right now the temperature is also good, because this time right now the temperature is not so much heat, not so much cold down. Temperature is approximately 22 degree. So here you can live out. Here are some guys, just devotees, just spending out the time here. So if you think this is one of the best place for the meditation and yoga and all these things. Only the thing is that just from the hectic life, if you just want to save you from yourself, from the natural life, hectic life, then you will find out this is one of the best place and cheapest place in this. All the donation which you had given, that is exemption of the income tax under ATG. These are the rooms. If you just go here, these are the room where you can live. So they are offering to the peoples different rooms. This is the block A. Similarly, they have 3 blocks here. Block A, block B, block C. They are offering approximately 80 rooms here. Out of 80 rooms, and if you just find out here, they are not offering in these ashrams any kind of liquor, alcoholic products, or any animal meat and these things. They are completely restricted. So here, once you are coming, they are offering you bread, breakfast, lunch, dinner, everything, and that is totally homemade thing. Means even if you just go breakfast, lunch, dinner, everything will be from their garden. Means they have here garden. Let's move to their another place. Let's move to another place. They have their cows approximately. They have 16 cows. So in this cow they are taking out fresh milk. Here the people they are. This is block A. If I see, this is block B, and another side there is block C. Let me show you the gosala of this ashram. If you just find out here, they are having fresh milk, fresh butter, fresh curd, everything will be, and they are restricting and doing this on the daily consumption basis. So one side, if you just come here, everything is natural. This is just related to naturopath. Natural people are working here just for. Let me show you the main ashram office. All these trees are the mango, some of the mango trees, some of the apricot trees. You will find out the different trees here. This is the car parking, if you just see. See some of the devotees. Guys, this is the main ashram office. Here you will find out all the administrative staff and this thing. All the administrative staff, they are sitting out here. This is the main administrative office. Here you will find out all administrative related track. These are the what we call the followers, means the main what word I should use, I am confused. These are the main persons who had started out this ashrams. So by the God grace, by the help of these guys only, we are able to live out here right now. Let me go to the main mandir of this ashram, main temple. For the unhealthy people, they also have the lift and other things. So if you just go here, let me show you the main room. This is the meditation room and the main temple where you can sit out and you will find out relaxation. This is the main gate of the room. This is the main temple of the Garibwada. If you see here, you will only find out the sound of either trees, air blowing, or you can say that sound of the birds. Nothing more than that. Here, if you just sit for half an hour, then you will really like this peaceful place. Let me show you the canteen of Garib Wada. Right from the here, if you see the other side of this thing, that is Magange, Ma river. As I told you, this is the block A, and this side we have the block B, and on the third side, on the administration side, on the other side, that is the block C. Let me show you the canteen. This is the canteen place. In this building, all kind of breakfast, from the breakfast till dinner, everything will be served here. Just before going to the canteen, I will show you there is a small medical office, or you can homeopathic office, homeopathic center. Here you will find out this is working from 4 to 5. They are giving you free medicines related to homeopathy or Ayurveda. Now let's move to the. This is the main place where all the devotees sit here and just have the food. Some tables are also there, just for the person who can't sit on the floor. For those guys, they can sit on the table and have the prasad. These are here 3 rooms, room number 1, 2 and 3. These 3 rooms are used for the storage of the food and these things. And the other side of the ashram, that is kitchen. Let me show you the kitchen of the ashram. This is the kitchen of the ashram. If you see here they are not using any gas, anything. Gas is only used for the cooking the vegetables or curry. For the all rotis and these things, they are using natural wooden stoves, chula, that we call in the, that is for this thing. Here is the main chef who is creating out all these things. This is the water cooler. So guys, this is a short tour of this Garib Wada. Similarly, I will share you, after some time I will share you the tour of another ashram, this one what we call Art of Living and Swami Dayanand Ashram. So ashram is the best place here. You will find out everything for the meditation, everything for the spiritual life, everything for your inner body. Means just to recharge out your body, everything will be available. Everywhere you will find out here natural things. Here is the main Maharaji of Garib Wada, Swami Nityanand. Okay guys, bye bye. Meet you, bye. We will try to share you a next video similarly like this or the other. Okay guys, bye for now.